What's up, everybody? For today's video, we got a couple things to do actually. First things first, gonna go pick up Britt, then head out to the seafood spot to get some seafood. Then after that, we're gonna go... What are we doing? We're gonna go to Sean's house probably after, check out his build because he's on the road now. Then after we check out his build, me and Rainy gonna go see Black Panther. And I think that's pretty much it for today. So, let's go pick up Britt. Rainy let me borrow his seat. I was supposed to do a video with my mom, but she bailed on me. So good thing I got the seat anyway. So now I can take Britt to go get our seafood. Last time we hung out was the time I filmed it and y'all went crazy. I was like, yo, next time it's on me, son, it's on me. So today we go get seafood. So that's probably her right there. So let's go. Whoa, is that Britt? Whoa, oh my Lord. Okay, so look, when you sit down, right?
Oh God.
You're in a rocking chair. So it rocks now. Now you can...
So am I dying today or what?
I mean, it all depends on how you feeling. You want to die today?
Let me hit 21 first, and then I'll be okay to die. You know?
All right, I got you. All right, we out.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh, your air doesn't work, right?
I told you I have no AC. Britt want to die today. You gonna die from a damn heat stroke. So we have this spot called the Twisted Tuna. Britt took me here. Never had it. Pretty good. Y'all say what's up to Britt. My new lens making you look extra poppin'. In the last video, how did the DMs go? What all happened in the DMs, Britt? What happened?
Full grown ass men in my DMs. I even had people asking me to race you. What? I don't even know directions, let alone race. I was like, what the fuck is going on? I had, let me see, another weird one. Oh, Percy sent me, so what up? Percy said if you're over 18 or 21, something like that,
Yeah.
like hit you up. And I was like, looked at him, I looked at his bio, he was 14 years old.
My nigga.
I tried.
I had a guy, yeah, and he's like out of the country. He was like, if I was around you, I'd take you out. I was like,
Hey, my man.
but the amount of people asking me to race you was ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Oh, I even had a guy, get this. I even had a guy, you posted my ad, right? He said, are you at Brittany?
I laugh at that because when I gave my gamer tag out, people messaging me like, yo, are you the real Zosh? I'm like, I mean, if I gave my gamer tag out and you message me, nah. I just thought it was funny. You guys are hilarious.
I love how they were like, Percy sent me, so what's good? Like,
Yeah, the squad, the stock block squad don't play around. Hey, I'm gonna let y'all in on a secret. She's still looking for somebody. So.
no, I'm not.
Oh, word? What happened, Britt? You found somebody?
No, guys.
Damn, I have let the squad down. But it will be okay. We will overcome this obstacle.
Well, I tried, y'all. Rip. I think she's going the other way now, so. Ladies, hey, I got a homegirl named Britt, you know what I'm saying? She keep it clean as always. For all my female followers, like all 4 of y'all, hey, Britt out there, she looking, yo. She on all the news sites. She's on Groupon.
Groupon, really? I'm trying to sell myself?
Wait, that's...
Keep that in. Keep that in. Show how dumbass you are. He said Groupon.
Hey.
Am I on Yelp too?
Hey, you got any Yelp review?
Actually, yeah, I'm a 4.2 out of 5.
Oh, damn! Would it be wrong if I titled this vlog, She Gave Me Crabs?
I would kill you. Literally.
Yo,
physically.
I could easily clickbait this video. She gave me crabs. Yo, Zosh got crabs, bro. Woo! Britt says she's so bomb, right?
I didn't say I'm so bomb. I said I'm a very confident, cocky too, and I know I got it, and I know how to use it.
I told her I have confidence,
No,
right?
you don't.
But look, this
the
is
one that asked out the girl that they liked, right? But you didn't, so there's that.
What girl that
Exactly, my point, you didn't.
What are you talking about?
He was attracted to a girl, and he didn't ask her out. He wrote, let's grab lunch on the check, but then crossed it out.
Yeah, I know that's not me. Everyone knows I'm emotionally unavailable and distressed and depressed and always in my depression mood. I mean, my server was pretty cute though. I ain't gonna front. See? I told yo.
But you didn't ask.
Of course not. No, I'm only confident when it's time to be confident.
No, you of course.
I'm a YouTuber with 138,000. You know what I'm saying? I got clout out here. Britt's funny. Oh, I'm a gentleman. Hold on.
Yeah, because it's broken, huh?
How you know?
Because I read that before.
Hey, I'm a gentleman.
I read that, oh, I'm a gentleman. I'm like, yeah, your door's broken, huh?
Hey, man. I heard you're the one I'm supposed to come to for balancing. What kind of New Balances you got, homie? Huh? What a beaut. So Britt's out of here, gonna go watch some Black Panther with Randy.
Without me.
Yeah, Britt was, yeah, we were all supposed to go, but Randy got off work way too late. He's not even home yet, and it's already about to be 8 o'clock, so that sucks. But other than that, we had a fantastic date. She gave me crabs. She got bit by, she got bit by a poisonous mosquito in my car. Other than that, it was
Today's the day you die.
Yeah, pretty much. Me and Randy are not headed to the movies. Gonna watch some Black Panther, son. So that's where we're headed to right now. I got my gummy bears right here, stashed in my cool little jacket. You know, I'm sick of shit. I never understood why the movie theater charged so much for like stuff you can get at the dollar store for like $1. Like I understand supply and demand, but God, bro, they be taxing like lungs for damn a pack of gummy bears. Like, yo, y'all tweaking, yo. Stamps, bro, what's good?
You know
Ooh,
what?
ooh.
Oh, she icy.
She wet. Oh my God.
You dig?
Yo, this is the homie food stamps, boy. We go, bro.
Monumental day.
Monumental. You Black Panthered out, boy. Hey, I'm proud of you, bro. Keep the community strong.
It's an Amish chinchilla. They don't even kill these no more.
Ooh, you got the last one they killed?
Don't touch it.
Oh, I can't. Ooh, you my boy wet. Ooh.
Let's go watch history be made.
So we came to the movie theater, but they're all sold out of Black Panther. So what we're gonna do, since I have to get gas anyway, we're gonna drive down to Gatlin, go to that theater, and yeah. Oh, Randy, bro. Hey, ugly ass lens, bitch. Hey, shut up, man. Hey, but hey, bro. Hey, Britt said you cute, nigga. She did. She's like, hey, Randy cute. I was like, you lying, nigga. You know Randy ugly. Nah. She said Randy cute. I was like, yo. I said, I'm telling the word. She said, don't do that. I was like, that's my dog. You know what I'm saying? That's my dog. So, hey, bro, what you gonna do? You gotta shoot your shot now. You gotta Steph Curry. So we made it to the new movie theater, and it's still packed. So food stamp said it should be free for us. Packed, bro. Packed. What's the word, Stamps?
Monumental. You know? That's the word of the day.
Word of the day is monumental, baby.
A couple dressed in dashikis. I'm banging.
For real?
Yeah,
Hey, you banging? My nigga banging out.
Download my mixtape. You know, more stripes.
Link down below. Here's a preview of what I'm talking about.
Hey, run up and dunk me. I got the dice. I'm dripping in ice. All of my be wet. I got the dice. I got the dice. I'm dripping in ice. All of my be wet. I got the dice. I got the dice.
Monumental.
Monumental.
I'm gonna catch y'all in a second.
Hey, bro, you be easy, player. Hey, can I take a picture?
No, nigga.
Time to sacrifice like 40 virgins for a sweet tea or something. But these prices out here, yeah. Pictures ain't no joke. Up top, baby, up top. Hey, what kind of day it is, Deshaun?
Feeling partly cloudy with a chance of monumental.
What's the Stamps?
I don't know how to put it in words. But if I could,
If you could,
monumental.
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 This nigga. I'm just getting back home. It's 1:43 in the morning, so I can't really do my cool outro, even though it's getting obnoxious lately. But Yeah, today was a cool day. Hung out with the homies. Saw Deshaun. I haven't seen Deshaun in so long. Deshaun is food stamps. If you don't know what food stamps is, or why I call them stamps or food stamps, it's because me and him made a like a little rap group back in like high school, which was like, I graduated high school 4 years ago, and we made this about, I'd say 6 years ago. It was our sophomore year of high school. Yeah, sophomore year, junior year. Definitely sophomore. One of them years. But we made a day. I'm P Dollars. He's food stamps. He's probably the funniest person that I ever met. I gotta get him on the channel to show y'all like his style of comedy. Dude's hilarious. Like, if you can tell by the rap video, like, dude's funny, man. He's the hope. And if you guys are wondering if you should go watch Black Panther if you haven't already, I say yes. It's well worth the damn 16 bones it costs to get in that mug, so why you lying? You only paid $10. True. It was a really good movie, man. I encourage all you guys to go see it if you haven't already. It's pretty dope. But other than that, there's not much left for me to say. Marauder slaps, banners, all that cool jazz, link down below to my website. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.